Hello kids, today we are going to see numbers. What are the keywords? Numbers, before, after and between. These are the keywords in this unit. You all numbers. Okay, you all know numbers 1 to 9. 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-B-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Kids, you all know numbers up to 1 to 9 and 0. What is the next number? Let's see the next number. It's 10. T-E-N. 10. So, it's the introduction to number 10. The next number is 10. We have to write 1 near that 0. 1 and 0 combines gives you number 10. See here, the hen lays eggs. The first chick comes out from the egg. 1. The second chick. 2. Third chick. 3. The fourth chick is coming, so 4. Fifth chick is coming, so 5. 6. The seventh chick. 8 chicks. 9 chicks. The last one. What is the next? Yes, it's 10. 10th chicks also coming. So the hen has 10 chicks. See here, children. This is a thread. There is no beads in this thread and no fingers. So here nothing. So it's 0. Nothing here. So it's 0. Here we have put a 1 bead and 1 finger is rising, so it's number 1. What about here? Count here 1 and 2. Also here 2 fingers, 1 and 2. So you have to write the number 2 here. Likewise, see here, how many beads are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many fingers are here? 1, 2 and 3. So you have to write 3 here. Likewise, count and write this table. See here, finally we have put 10 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It's 10. 1, 0 is 10. See here, 1, 0 is read as 10. 10 ones is equal to 110. There are 1 beads. It combines gives 10 ones. And 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. See here, there are carrots. How many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. they are grouped together and make a bunch. So you can it is easy to count the biggest number if you make it a bunch of 10. Like this 10 bunches like this 1 2 3, you can make so many bunches and the counting will be easier to you. See here, the balloons also grouped together here. See, circle groups of 10. Count 10 flowers and circle it like this. Likewise, you count these butterflies, these birds and this ant. Count 10 and group it together. Okay, children? Okay. See here. You can trace the 10 like this. 1 and 0. You do write it in the home and practice it, children. See, children, numbers from 10 to 20. Here a rhymes is given for 10 to 20 numbers. Let us sing together to me. Number train joined for fun. Chikku book, number train joined for fun. Tadak, 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 carriage 10, come and join. Badak, 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 carriage 11, come and join. Tudum, dudum, tudum, dudum, carriage 12, come and join. See here, numbers are coming 10, it's 11, it's 12. Likewise, see here, coo, 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 carriage 13, come and join. It's 13 number. Okay. Chikku book, carriage 14, come and join. It's 14. See here, 14. Tadak, 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 carriage 15, come and join. See here, 15 number. The carriages are attaching to the train. They gives the numbers to the carriages. So these number of carriages are attaching to the train. Okay, kids. Badak, 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 carriage 16, come and join. Here is 16. Tudum, 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 dudum, carriage 17, come and join. It's a 17 number. Coo, 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 carriage 18, come and join. 18th carriage is also joined to the train. Tadak, tadak, badak, badak, carriage 19, come and join. Tudum, dudum, tudum, dudum, carriage 20, come and join. Likewise, the numbers are going 19 and 20. The last is chikku book, number train joined for fun. So, what are the numbers we see here? It's 10. See here? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we know numbers from 1 to 20 now. Okay, this is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We know numbers up to 20. Kids, here is the abacus. This is ones place and this is tens place. If you are going to write 10, see here, ones place is empty. There is no beads. In tens place, there are one bead. So, 1. You have to write 1. And in ones place you have to write 0 because no beads are here. So there are 10. There are 10 flowers here. Okay, it's a bunch of 10. 110. Next, see, we have one bead in tens place and one bead in ones place. So it's 1 and 1 11. It's 1 and 1 11. See, it's a bunch of 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Likewise, here in tens place, it's only one bead. In ones place there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 beads are there. So 1 in the tens place, 9 in the ones place. See here, it's a bunch of 10 flowers and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers extra. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Likewise here, there are 2 bunches. One bunch consists of 10 flowers. So 2 bunch is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. See here. So in tens place, we have to place 2 beads, 1 and 2. In ones place, nothing is there. No beads we have to place. So it's 2 and 0, 20. Children, this is a number line. We can draw a line like this and point the numbers like this, 1, 2, 3 up to 20. This is a number line. Okay, we will see before number, after number and between number in the next video, children. Thank you.